Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are getting SkyGo error code 0-01, don't worry, it's a common issue and it can usually be fixed in just a couple of simple steps. So this error often happens when the application has trouble loading the content or verifying your device. So in order to fix this issue, the first thing that you can do is simply come out of your SkyGo application, then long press on its icon and tap on the I tab. Once you are in the app info of your SkyGo application, you need to go to storage, and here in your storage you will see clear data option, so tap on it. After tapping on clear data, you will see clear cache option, so tap on clear cache and then press OK. So after clearing the cache of your SkyGo application, you need to simply relaunch the application and check if your problem is fixed or not. If the issue still persists, I would highly recommend you to sign out of your application and sign in back in. So you need to open your app and go to the settings of your account, and there you will see the sign out option. So you need to simply click on the sign out option. Then in order to logging back in, you need to provide your Sky ID. This refreshes your session and often clears the errors as well. And that's it. With just these two quick steps, your SkyGo should be working again. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching.